film this video in 10 minutes or 15 minutes because I need to go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hawa. So today I'm doing a hair review on Annabelle Brazilian straight today. I had this hair for a while, so let me talk about it and give y'all my little review on it. Ooh, sorry guys. I have a 20-inch closure, a 20 and 3 24 bundles. The first thing I'm gonna talk about is the longevity. The longevity is pretty good. The hair is lasting really nicely. I like it. It's been over a month having the hair like installed as a wig because I made this wig during the week of my birthday. Between the 5th and the 7th I made this wig, but I bought the hair in November. I paid $163 since it was a sale. It was a pretty good price. I love the price. It does take heat okay. I give it taking heat about a 3.5. I mean, it doesn't straighten that well in my opinion. Like I wish it got bone straight. Maybe it's because I don't take my time. I'm always rushing when I'm straightening my hair, but soon I'm gonna get better at my straightening techniques and then my hair will be bone straight like Rihanna. Like I used another flat iron before I got this new flat iron from Chi. I got this at Ulta. It goes up to 410. It's pretty strong and really hot. I used a Conair before this one and I feel like that burned the hair a lot and it was gonna damage the hair, and the only way for me to fix and repair the hair from getting really dry and brittle is to buy a few things. Like, and I wasn't using heat protectant too. I recently just got this Tresemme heat protectant like after my birthday, like a week after, and then I got silicone mix 2 weeks after, and then I got this oil the week after that, and it's like I kept collectively getting things. The shedding, very mineral shedding. I don't see shedding at all. I'll give the shedding about a 3. See it once I brush it, like when I roughly brush it, like I'm trying to get the tangles out, because before the hair was starting to get dry and that's when it was getting tangly and I needed that oil, because I feel like my flat iron that I had, my Conair one, was really damaging it. Like it was really bad. Like, so I really had to upgrade my everything, like really invest in my hair products, and this is what you guys see. I really had to talk to a lot of people, ask people questions. Like I didn't know how to really take care of the hair. Like this is longer hair, this is not a bob. Like this is the longest hair I have, so it's harder. It's more, I don't even want to wear this hair every day because the length is just too much for me. It's true to its texture. It's straight Brazilian straight. I like straight texture. I mean, I just like straight hair, honestly. It's definitely true to its length. I'll show you right now. Like, I don't know if y'all can see everything. This hair, y'all not gonna be able to see it, but basically it's down my butt. The ends need work. I need to really take my time to flat iron it, but it's okay. I did pay for what I got, but it's okay. So yeah, that's length. I like this hair, honestly. I mean, I'm gonna get better at my hair installations. Like I'm gonna get really better, but this is a start. I'm not gonna rush it. It was tangling before, but then I used that silicone mix, baby girl. When I used that silicone mix made my hair like really revert back to how I first got it, because I really feel like I was using that flat iron really messed up the hair. Like it was trying to mess up the hair and I stopped using it, and it made the hair tangle up, frizz up, and after I stopped using that flat iron, my hair frizzes up less now. Thank God, because I was really freaking out. I thought I messed up my hair. The shipping did not take that long. I ordered the hair on a Saturday night of the 11/11, and I got the hair delivered on the Wednesday, but I wasn't home to pick it up. FedEx put my stuff in a locker in my neighborhood and I had to go pick it up on my own, so I picked it up like 2 days after that, which was like a Friday, I think. And then I went home my bundles. I was so happy that day. Hey. Service was perfect. Angela, the seller that I talked to, and Annabelle, she was really nice to me. She kept me updated what was happening. Packaging was very nice too. Everything was clean, baggaged nicely. The hair looked perfect. Was my little review on Annabelle's Brazilian straight. I hope you guys really enjoyed my video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.